I would really encourage all of you young people to be participants of the Prayana 2014. When like-minded youth come together and really spend a lot of these days together, traveling together, seeing the leaders, seeing the role models, seeing the best institutions, it's amazing.
Recently we have finished a leadership journey of 14 days where 100 participants from 9 states participated in this journey.
Ask ourselves the question, are we doing something we feel proud of? Are we doing something that we feel is making a difference? Or
don't lose courage, don't lose hope, work sincerely, work with honesty.
There is no limit to human imagination, there is no limit to human achievement, accepting the limit that you put on yourself.
Having smart people around you will make you even smarter.
Disappointed in my own country. I didn't quite like the way the social fabric.
I think just marks without learning will give way sometime. Maybe not initially, but it will give way sometime.
Find a problem to solve. That problem is big enough, then there you have your idea.
You want to follow your heart, and at the same time you're listening to your mentors. You're going to go somewhere.
हम लोग जो ड्राइंग करते थे बचपन में तो zigzag पाथ आते हैं ना, मतलब वेब पर इन फ्रॉम सिविल इंजीनियरिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू zigzag पाथ इट्स नॉट इकोनॉमिकल. सो नॉर्मली अगर कोई रास्ता आना चाहता है तो साइकिल वाइकिल से आएगा तो उसको zigzag करेगा तो उसमें बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम आएगा ना.
The people with spade will take that mud and put it up.
Feeling like Mandina Makkalu. I feel great. I'm supervising everyone.
We're like working like a farmers over here.
It's like a totally rustic experience, and getting all the stacked pile of straw grass from there. Really awesome.
कभी जिंदगी में ऐसा काम नहीं किया.
Thanks for coming by our 7 Beans. My name is Gaurav Shah. Born and brought up in Hubli. I was 22 years old when I started 7 Beans. Most of my employees were, especially my management staff, was double my age. The journey has been fantastic. Entrepreneurship has its own reward, it has its own perks, it has its own challenges as well.
We found out that there is no ladies in security field. So started. Thanks to Deshpande Foundation, they are our first client and they helped us by giving a business. So we started with the 9 people in 2009 and now we are 250 plus employees at Safe Hands.
Entrepreneurship is an experimental thing, and the more bold the idea is, the riskier it is. If it's risky, it may fail. But the only thing we can do by building the right ecosystem, by building the right mentoring, by building the right peers.
Though it appears like a big thing, it can all be outsourced.
Courage. If you're not courageous, you can never become a leader.
That's the only question I would expect you guys to answer after these 17 days is...
More mobile phones than toilets. You get angry, you get wild. You say, oh, India is so bad. Yeah, leaders are bad. Government is bad. Politicians are bad. They are not providing toilets.
Mahatma Gandhi said, alcoholism is taken away and a cleaner life is possible.
Swami Vivekananda once said, education without philosophy will produce only intelligent devils.
When the team comes, we have to give an opportunity to everybody.
छोटी-छोटी चीजों में ज्ञान होती है, उसे सीखो.
कल को अंबर भी झुका देंगे. है जज्बा.
Everyone knows to get someone, not to lose someone.
a mistake right now, God knows when you will do. So do lots of mistakes, but don't repeat the mistake. Do mistake, learn from it and move ahead. And every mistake is a great source of learning. Even if you are not on Facebook, but you are in our book. So you all people have made Lead Prayana a program, a lively things which we all cherish.
You will be a transformed person within a very short period of time.